How to stream live on Kick from your mobile device. First, you will need to open up the Google Play Store or the Apple Store if you're using iPhone. And then you will need to search for Streamlabs and then click on Install next to Streamlabs app. Now, once you install the app, you will need to go back to your browser and then go to kick.com. Now click on your profile logo and then sign into your Kick account. Now once you signed into your account, click on your profile logo on the top right and then click on settings. And from here you will need to click on stream URL and key. And now you will need to reveal these information and copy them. First I'm going to reveal the stream URL. You will need to enter a 6-digit code which is going to be sent to your email. And once you enter that or you enter your 2-factor authentication code, you will be able to copy these informations. So just click on the copy button next to it. And then you'll need to go to Streamlabs application and open it up. And then just click on custom RTMP at the bottom. And it will ask you to enter a name for this. For example, Kick. And then paste URL you copied from the Kick website. And then you will need to paste the stream key. So just copy it and paste the stream key. Make sure to not share this information publicly. And then click on the save button. Now you will need to grant permissions to use the camera. Now you can skip the tour if you want to. And then once you grant the camera permissions, you should be able to either flip the camera or mute and unmute your phone. You can also press go live and then make sure to check the multi-stream that we added for Kick, which is this one. Click on next and then you can simply give your stream a title and choose the quality. So for example 1080p and 60 fps, and then you can choose the bit rate depending on your upload speed. I'm going to leave it at 5000 and then you can simply press go live. And then you will need to grant permissions for the microphone as well. Now you will need to press go live again and then click on next. And now you should be broadcasting live. As you can see, this button right here changed to red. And you can also click on flip camera to switch between the frontal and the back camera of your phone. And you can mute and unmute the mic from here. And you can press the chat here. Now to stop streaming, you'll simply need to press the stop button. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you in the next one.